Oh shit, there it goes. Well, that's what it would have got me right there. Holy shit. Good thing I dropped the bike and got off. That would have taken my head clean off right there. Holy cow. Okay, let's talk about what just happened. You see that baling twine right there? Yeah, there's some litter. So the tractor went by me with a swather, no, baler on the back. And next thing I knew, that baling twine was coming across like it was gonna cut me off at the neck. And I figured it was dragging something behind it. So I kind of let it knock me over in the grass, and then I got away from the bike, and sure enough, the cover for the twine box came flying along. Oh, there's the cover right there. And would have just got me really good. Could have decapitated me, since that line was caught between my shoulder and my helmet. And you can see it got my bike right here because it skipped across my bike. So lots of ways to die on a bike. That's not one of them I was planning on.